A's last summer in exchange for Paul Blackburn. Labrada takes off. The pitch is high. The throw to second off target goes into center field. Labrada's headed for third and in standing. Stolen base number 43 for our first one to Jared is off the plate. Swing and no goals. Play. Breaking ball stays Sundstrom. Swung on and missed. And he takes inside for a ball. Electing to go with the right-handed batter against Werchansky today. Pitch fouled back. 1 ball, 1 strike. Midland 8-7 on the season. 3rd place in. Here comes the 1-1. That's hit in the air, right field. Chasing Sundstrom back, but he has room shy of the track. And makes the catch. 2 out. Rockhounds took 2 of 3 from the Travs to open the season. Hey, folks, each today swings, hits it off. Didn't want to, but he went around. Strike 3. Sunshine all around. Next pitch, waved at and missed. Delayed steal attempt by Windish. The throw, he is safe. Hogan going around the backside, hooked the bag and kept his fingers on the base. He has his 2nd steal of the year. Trav's 2nd steal of the day. Well, he's into scoring. Now Caleb Cali swinging in 0-1. Pitch. Fastball right in there, called strike 3, inning. Lyle Lynn, the hitter. Day of the Boston Marathon. Red Sox always. Buehler and Flaherty were both top prospects and have gone on to have obviously outstanding big league careers. Amazing that he would remember that as well. 1-0. Foul. Minor leagues, you get 2, 3, 4, 5 a year, usually in the early season. Runner at first, 1 out. Here's the pitch. Swung on and golfed in the air to right center, not deep. Sundstrom gets there first and makes the catch. 2 down. Swift. First pitch. Fouled back this direction. And fires. Fouled back. Pitch. Called strike 3. Boy. Hood thought it was off the plane to score. 1-0. Pitch. Big swing, no contact. Big wrist pitch tomorrow night. Breaking ball stays away. Full count. 3-2. Swung on and missed. A high fastball. Strike 3. And he takes. Breaking ball on a good pitch of the inning. Dives low. And he strikes out Windish looking. A fastball over the outer edge at nice. And takes ball 1 high. Next pitch fouled away. 1 ball, 1 strike. Tonight in the league, this week in the Texas League. A rip and a miss at a fastball. Strike 2. Cronin gets ahead. Four very interesting series elsewhere. Again, start to identify who these teams are and learn more about them. 1-2 pitch. Fouled away. 1-2 pitch. Bounce to the right side. 2 hops. Windish has it. The throw to first in plenty of time. And Caleb takes, fires again. Cali fouls it back. Runners. 0-2 pitch. Tied him up and he swings through it. Strike 3. Good. Pelham. Swung on and 0-1. Swung on and missed again. Fouled back. We'll do it again. Pitch. In the dirt. Low. 2 and inside, make it a fate. Swung on and missed. Down and in. 1-0. High. Waved at and missed. 2-2. Slider again. Swung on and missed again. And Julio Rodriguez from ball 1, low and out. 1-0. Here it comes. Swing and a miss. 2 and the pitch. Windish swings and misses. Strike 3. Inning over.